Mama says stay near me. Little cotton, can you see? Butterfly flew up so high, now I'm lost, oh my. Where did Mama Bunny? I don't know. Mama, can you hear? Little Cotton's waiting here. Something red is over there. Maybe Mama's waiting there. Little bunny, don't you cry. Friends will help you, you reach the sky. I'm Hen the Red, so bright and bold. I'll help you find your mama, hold. No mama here inside the barn. Let's go look near the sunny farm. Yellow duck in water so blue. Will you help us find her too? I'm Duck the yellow, bright and true. I'll help find Mama Bunny too. Yellow is duck and lily pad. Learn the color, be so glad. Blue fence stands so tall and neat. Hello friend with hooves so sweet. I'm Cow the Blue, so soft and calm. I'll help you find your mama's palm. Blue is the cow and fence so high. Blue is the flower, reach the sky. Yeah! Green frog jumps on pad so green. The nicest friend we've ever seen. I'm Frog the Green, so bouncy fun, everyone. Yay! I'm Pig the Pink, so squishy sweet. I'll help your mama meet and greet. Pink Pig rolls in mud so pink. Come and play, don't you think? Pink Pig rolls in mud so pink. Come and play, don't you think? Now we walk and look around. Mama Bunny must be found. Mama, can you see? All my friends are helping me. Don't be sad. Don't be blue. We will find her just for you. What is that I see so bright? Pure delight! Wow! Purple cat so soft and sweet. Will you help our little friend meet? I'm Cat the Purple, soft and kind. I'll help you find what's on your mind. Purple is the cat and flower. Helping gives us happy power. One by one we look around. Happy friends are safe and sound. Wait a minute. What I hear? Is my mama coming near? Cotton! Little Cotton! Yes, that's her! I know that voice. Mama Bunny makes rejoice. Mama, here I am, with my friends and happy plan. I found you! I found you! Hug so warm and love so true. found you, I found you. Hug so warm and love so true. Thank you, friends so kind and true, for helping my little one find me too. These flowers are for you, Mama dear. Thank you for always being near. Red and yellow, blue and green, pink and purple, all are seen. Red blanket soft on grass so green, best picnic spot we've ever seen. Carrots sweet and apples red, yummy food for us to spread. Red blanket soft on grass so green, best picnic spot we've ever seen. Let's have fun, let's have a picnic. Eat and play, it will be quick. Corn and berries, grapes so fine, every snack is yours and mine. Sit in circle, share the treat. Sharing makes the day so sweet. One apple red, one finger two. Number one, we see it, woo! Two berries blue, 2 feet that tap. Number two, let's give a clap. 3 corns yellow, 3 feathers light. Number 3, we count it right. 4 oranges round, 4 toes so small. Number 4, we count them all. 5 grapes green, 5 fingers long. Number 5, we sing this song. 6 petals soft, 6 loops so neat. Number 6, it's such a treat. 7 clovers white, 7 blinks slow. Number 7, we count and know. 8 carrot sticks, 2 loops that cross. Number 8, we're never lost. 9 clouds so high, high up in the sky. Number 9, we wave goodbye to shy. 10 fingers up, 10 claps so bright. Number 10, we learned it right. 10 fingers up, 10 claps so bright. Number 10, we learned it right. Bubbles float, colors glow. Pop one soft and watch it go. Chase the bubble, soft and slow. Where it stops, we do not know. Dance soft steps, sway and spin. Happy dancer dance from deep within. Mama warm and mama kind, best friend, best I will ever find. Mama warmens are warm, friends are true. I am so glad I found all you. Mama warmens are warm, pick up soft, pick up slow. Tidy up is good to know. Mama warmens are warm, teamwork makes the work so light. All together, wrong to right. Mama warmens are warm, blue and green, pink and purple, all are seen.